Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens triple break number 57 of 14-15 SP game used. Last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 6th at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current day and time, we click refresh. It's currently Thursday, July 7th at 12:06 a.m. Eastern Time. And obviously for anybody that has registered on our break page, with a you can register account there and scroll down and see everything that's in the queue there. And we are broadcasting live on Breakers here. Break 57. And these are boxes number 7, 8, and 9 from our case. So we don't obviously remember to list their break before we open our case. So we'll post break 55 below. We're actually we're going to do the break without autofocus and change a whole bunch of settings around where it should actually help with the blurriness from before. So 1780 is box 7, 6670 is 8, and 1373 is box number 9. And let's just cover the seal. And sealed. Okay, so definitely hoping this broadcast can get a little bit better here. So 1780, box number 1. Okay, so we start the break off with a Alexander Koklachev, number 148, $4.99 for the Boston Bruins. Alexander Koklachev. Next one is a SP rookie of Colton Sessons for the Nashville Predators. Colton Sessons for the Preds. And a 2-color jersey for the New York Rangers of Mark Messier. Mark Messier for New York. And we have a draftee marks, number 35 of 35 of Kirby Reichel, going out to Columbus. Kirby Reichel. And a So Slightly 3-color Authentic Fabrics patch of Ed Belfour, 29 of 35. Hey Mike, am I lagging by any chance? 6670. Or Rob. Because I don't know if it's my Windows 10 or anything, but it looks pretty smooth on my end. A little laggy. Okay, so we have a draftee marks for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Marc-Andre Fleury, number 1 of 10. Going out to Pittsburgh. Not a bad hit there. These vet 1s out of 10 are very tough hits to get. They have a Damian Severson autograph for the New Jersey Devils. Damian Severson. And we have a 2-color patch of Eddie Lack, 44 of 99 for Vancouver. And our next one is a dual Authentic Fabrics of Craig Anderson and Robin Lehner. Craig Anderson, Robin Lehner, going out to Ottawa. And a dual Authentic Fabrics of Taylor Hall, Nail Yakupov. Out to the Oilers. I don't think it's my broadcast. 1373. So it should be fine now. How's the broadcast? Is it a little bit like I turned autofocus and all that other lighting stuff off? Where hoping cards will position a little bit better. So we have a 3-color patch and 2-color patch of Craig Anderson, number 11 of 50, which will be random between the Avalanche and Ottawa, as they do have both logos on there. And a nice hit here. This one is going out to the Edmonton Oilers. So Wayne Gretzky is retired, and most regular season games played was with the Oilers. So number 82 of 99 going out to Edmonton. So very nice hit there for Edmonton. So whoever has the Oilers, just let me know if you want tracking on it. Actually, we can't even do any shipping until after the Canada Post strike on after Friday. We'll see what happens. We have a autograph of Joe Morrow going out to Boston, and a Stadium Series jersey of Steven Giunta for the New Jersey Devils. And finishing up the break with a Stadium Series jersey of Andy Green going out to New Jersey again. So there we have it, guys. So just bear with me for a minute here. Okay, so I'll move you guys a little bit closer here to our random. So onto our multi-team random, we got Craig Anderson for the Avalanche and Senators. And just to let you guys know that the top right corner is a little bit soft. You can see a little bit of white spot in it, and the bottom right also. So we're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top. After the 3rd time, you receive a card. So 1, 2, 3. It's going out to Colorado. And you've randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations to the Avalanche on the patch.